Okay, so I decided I'm going to joint the two skins for my triple top guitar before I stick them all together in a packet with the center section. Here's the center section. So this is pretty flexible, as you see right now, and it will become very stiff as a board, in fact, once it's all glued together. But first I'm just going to join these sides. I jointed these edges earlier before I split the piece into two. So this I can just go ahead and run a little tiny bead of glue along here, and spread it with my finger in a minute. Yep, there we go. So let's just get a tissue. Need a tissue ready to make sure it doesn't go everywhere. I followed Frank Finocchio, is that his name? On his DVD in the early days when I first started. I watched that thing, and he showed how he used his finger as a very effective gluing brush. So I'm going to pull those apart, put one down, bring in my stick, pull this one over, like that, get some tape. You know what, actually this is so, actually probably this is going to work. Yep. Need to put this tape, quite a bit of it on here. Let's hope it all pulls together nicely and it flattens down. Tighter. Pretty tight. That's going to do the job. Okay, now I can just use some of these pieces of metal, hold the joint down. That should be plenty enough of flat pressure. There we go. I'll let that dry, and I'll glue up the other one, the surface that's going to show on the top. This one's actually jointed, ready to go as well. There we go. That's the joint there. What I'll do is just take off the fur with a few very light passes of this is 240 grit. Just take off the furry bits, makes the gluing easier. That should be ready to go. Let's just look at it. Let's move that one over a bit. Yeah. That's going to be pretty good as well. Alright, well, I'll do that one in a minute. You don't need to watch the whole thing. I'll see you on the next stage.